Hello everyone. Myself Damayanti Upadhyay once again welcomes you all in my YouTube channel Damayanti Commerce Tutorials. So we were in the second chapter of business studies of class 11th CBSE, that was forms of business organization, and one form, that is the very first form, that is sole proprietorship, we have already done. I hope you all must have watched my video, and I am expecting that everyone must have given their valuable comments also. So now today we will study the second form of business organization, that is called joint Hindu family business. What we call joint Hindu family business. So the question arises, what is joint Hindu family? See, the name itself gives the meaning. वो फैमिली जहाँ पे जॉइंटली सब लोग रहते हैं, जिसको पहले हम लोग आज की डेट में तो यू विल फाइंड वेरी लेस नंबर ऑफ फैमिलीज हु आर लिविंग टुगेदर वेयर ऑल द रिलेशनशिप्स आर देयर, राइट? बट nowadays nuclear family is in the fashion. Nuclear family is a trend. Some of them are bound to live in nuclear family, and some of them are by choice living in nuclear family, right? That is why it is being said that joint Hindu family business is on its declination. It is on decline because nowadays we do not find any joint Hindu family, or we must say that very less number of families are still living jointly. So let us start with the meaning, that is which is owned and carried by the members of the family. Eldest member of the family is called Karta. For starting such type of business, 2 male members are required. Minimum 2 male members are required. But as per the order of Supreme Court regarding Hindu Succession Act amendments in 2005, now the lady members are also equally partners in the joint Hindu family. In joint Hindu family, now we cannot say that only two male members are required. Only 2 members are required, right? So, which is owned and carried by the members of the family. Eldest member of the family is called Karta. See, eldest member का मतलब होता है घर का जो सबसे बड़ा व्यक्ति हो उम्र में, ठीक है? जो घर का सबसे बड़ा व्यक्ति होगा उसको हम क्या कहेंगे? कर्ता कहते हैं. What the person will known be? Karta, right? It is of 2 types. Just for the sake of knowledge I am telling, Dayabhaga and Mitakshara. Now this is not required. Only just for the sake of knowledge I am telling, it is of 2 types. The members of the family business is called co-parceners. What they are called? Co-parceners. जो भी joint Hindu family के members होते हैं, जो family members होते हैं, उनको हम कहते हैं co-parceners. They can be male members and they can be female members. Now, it is as per the Hindu Succession Act 2005. Previously, before 2005, only and only male members were supposed to be the co-parceners. They are supposed to get the business profit, not the female members, right? All the male child, even after by birth, they get the membership of this family business. And now, let us discuss the features of joint Hindu family business. The very first feature is formation of joint Hindu family. One, I have already told that minimum 2 male members are required, and now we can say after this act only 2 members are required to form joint Hindu family business. And the most important thing, ancestral property has to be there, and family should be joint. From the last 3 generations, ancestral property has to be there. सक्सेसिव 3 जनरेशन होनी चाहिए जो इस बिजनेस को करे, तो ही वो जॉइंट हिंदू फैमिली बिजनेस के कैटेगरी में आते हैं. अदरवाइज दे वोंट बी कंसीडर्ड एज अ जॉइंट हिंदू फैमिली. लायबिलिटी, कर्ता. Who is Karta? The eldest family member of the eldest member of the family is known as Karta. Karta will have the unlimited liability. कर्ता जो है, जो डिसीजन ले रहा है, जो सारे काम कर रहा है बिजनेस के, सारी पावर उसके हाथ में है, वो अनलिमिटेड लायबिलिटी के लिए है. और ऑल co-partners विल हैव देयर लिमिटेड लायबिलिटी टिल द एक्सटेंट ऑफ द शेयर विच दे हैव. उस फैमिली बिजनेस का जितना हिस्सा इनको मिला होगा, ये उतने ही हिस्से के लिए लायबल है. ओके, all the co-partners are having the limited liability, right? Control, fully control lies in the hands of the karta, right? जो कर्ता होता है बिजनेस के सारे डिसीजंस वही लेता है. co-partners can't take the decision in place of कर्ता. कंटिन्यूटी हमने पढ़ा था सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप में कि डिसकंटिन्यूटी ऑफ द बिजनेस, राइट? क्यों? If sole proprietor dies, there are chances that business will come to its end. But when we are talking about the joint Hindu family, if Karta dies, then the next eldest member of the family will hold the position of Karta, right? So in this way, continues after the death of Karta. Continues after the death of Karta. Karta की death होने के बाद भी जो नेक्स्ट एल्डेस्ट मेंबर होगा अपनी फैमिली का, वो उस चेयर को संभालेगा, वो उसकी जगह फिर एक्टिव हो जाएगा. एंड नाउ द नेक्स्ट एल्डेस्ट मेंबर विल बी कॉल्ड कर्ता. एंड द नेक्स्ट, लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, माइनर मेंबर बाय बर्थ मेंबरशिप. माइनर मेंबर का मतलब होता है 18 साल से कम उम्र के लोग. तो पहले क्या था, 2005 से पहले जो हिंदू सक्सेशन एक्ट था, उसमें ये था कि गर्ल्स को यानी फीमेल को अपने पैटर्नल प्रॉपर्टी में कोई भी राइट नहीं होता था. वो जॉइंट हिंदू फैमिली में भी एग्जिस्ट नहीं करते थे. इस चीज़ को अमेंडमेंट मिला कब? इन द ईयर ऑफ 2005. लेकिन फिर भी उसमें एक प्रॉब्लम थी. लोग कहते थे कि जो फादर की अर्न की हुई प्रॉपर्टी है सिर्फ गर्ल्स का उसी में राइट होगा. नाउ फ्यू डेज बैक सुप्रीम कोर्ट हैज़ गिवन दिस ऑर्डर दैट गर्ल्स कैन take the right, can have the right in ancestral property also. ये सभी गर्ल्स के लिए है. और बी अपडेटेड, आपको भी अब पूरा राइट है अपनी प्रॉपर्टी में, उतना ही जितना आपके भाई का है. बट it does not mean that you start quarreling for this, start fighting for this in your home, at your home. Okay, so don't do this. It is just for the sake of knowledge, and knowledge is much more required. Instead of fighting, it is better you be prepared. And now let us start once again the summary of this joint Hindu family. Joint Hindu family is on its decline. Reason? Nowadays you will not find, very rarely you will find that people are living in joint family, because everybody is having their own opinions and own attitude. They are not ready to do the adjustments with the feelings of or with the requirements of the family members, right? So the result comes that everybody is living in nuclear family. Now they keep on dividing कि बस हम अपनी फैमिली को देखेंगे, अपने बच्चे को देखेंगे, अपने माँ बाप को देखेंगे, बाकी हमें किसी से कोई मतलब नहीं है. माँ बाप की जिम्मेदारी भी कोई और निभाए, that is much more better, right? But now you all are the new generation. Change this attitude. You all are the youth generation. You all can do this change. Make them understand the value of joint Hindu family, right? And if joint Hindu family will exist, then definitely this joint Hindu family will business will exist, and you all will be the leaders, will become the karta of your business, right? So that's all for today. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, to share my channel. That is Damayanti Commerce Tutorials. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.